Did you know that 70% of employees are disengaged at work? This staggering statistic highlights the importance of effective leadership in keeping teams motivated and productive. Stay tuned to discover powerful psychological hacks to enhance your corporate leadership skills. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. My name is Andrew Beaulieu. I am the CEO and founder of Bold Moves Coaching and Consulting based out of Canada. Welcome to our video on the 5 must-try psychological hacks for corporate leadership success in 2024. Today, we'll explore cutting-edge strategies that will help you excel in the corporate world and become a more effective leader. Inefficient leadership can lead to decreased productivity, low employee morale, and high turnover rates. It's crucial to address these challenges head-on to create a thriving and successful organization. Many leaders struggle with connecting with their teams, maintaining high morale, and driving productivity. Ineffective leadership not only hampers team performance, but also leads to dissatisfaction and disengagement among employees. This can result in a high turnover rate, costing the company valuable time and resources. We'll delve into 5 key techniques that can transform your leadership approach. 1. Emotional intelligence. Emotional intelligence is the ability to understand and manage your own emotions, as well as recognize and influence the emotions of others. By developing EI, you can improve your interpersonal relationships, resolve conflicts more effectively, and create a more empathetic and understanding workplace. 2. Effective communication. Clear and open communication is the foundation of good leadership. It involves not just speaking, but also active listening. By honing your communication skills, you can ensure that your team understands their goals and feels heard and valued. 3. Fostering a positive work culture. Creating a positive work environment where employees feel valued and appreciated can significantly boost morale and productivity. This includes recognizing achievements, encouraging a healthy work-life balance, and promoting a culture of mutual respect and support. 4. Building trust. Trust is the foundation for any successful team. By being transparent, reliable, and consistent, you can build trust with your team members. This trust will lead to stronger collaboration, increased loyalty, and a more cohesive work environment. 5. Promoting team collaboration. Encourage collaboration and teamwork by fostering an inclusive environment where everyone feels their contributions are valued. This can be achieved through team-building activities, regular feedback sessions, and creating opportunities for employees to work together on projects. Now, here comes the exciting part: how these psychological hacks can transform your leadership style, boost team performance, and drive organizational success. By integrating emotional intelligence, effective communication, fostering a positive work culture, building trust, and promoting team collaboration, you can create a more engaged, motivated, and high-performing team. These strategies not only enhance individual performance, but also contribute to the overall success of the organization. As a leader, your ability to inspire and motivate your team is crucial. These psychological hacks provide you with the tools you need to lead effectively and create a positive and productive work environment. To sum it up, mastering these psychological hacks can elevate your corporate leadership game to new heights. Remember, a great leader inspires greatness in others. By implementing these strategies, you can transform your leadership style, improve team performance, and drive your organization towards success. If you found these tips valuable, be sure to check out our other videos for more insightful content. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Your feedback helps us create content that's even more relevant and useful for you. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video. Hi everyone, I really hope you enjoyed watching that video, and just want to share that we at Bold Moves Coaching are here for you. Whether you work in the corporate field, whether you're going through a career transition, or whether you're doing some life coaching, we have the framework, the expertise, and the support to help you along your journey. Your potential knows no bounds, and with the right partnership, we can unlock that potential and bring you to the life of your dreams, the life that you designed for yourself. Our leadership wellness and our positive leader program are elite programs that help people live into a more positive lifestyle, really looking at comprehensive wellness and taking care of themselves first. Self-care is the first step to showing up at your best. So visit us at www.boldmovescoaching.ca. Get on my calendar. Let's have a talk. There's no obligations. There's no cost. I just want to hear your story and see if there's a good fit for us to work together or to just be part of each other's journeys. So thank you again for watching the video. Stay tuned. There's going to be plenty more, and we'll talk soon.